Now, I know you've been asking, should I clean Lego stickers? I mean, absolutely everybody's asking this every minute of every day, right? Lego has stickers on it, and then you want to clean Lego, and then how do you clean it if it has stickers on it? Because the stickers are going to get all mushy, and then they're going to come off. Well, you can actually clean Lego stickers when they're on your Lego bricks. But before we do that, Lego stickers are the bane of a lot of people's existence. I don't mind them. They add, wow, look at that dust. They add a lot of detail. They add the character to sets, but look at this. This is when your heart breaks, because this is one of my elf sets, and these stickers are peeling off and actually degrading, which is so weird, because this is the Starlight Inn, which is 2016. Look at them just peeling up. And I swear to you that these surfaces were clean when I applied them, because I always make sure I try not to touch the places where I'm going to put the stickers on, but that was from 2016. This set, which is from 2015, stored alongside the elf set, stickers are absolutely fine. So I don't know, it obviously has something to do with what factory they're produced in, or maybe whatever the manufacturing is for them, but it can really, really make you sad. And just to really rub lemon into the wound. This is a DC superhero girl set. This was the school. This one was 2017. Stickers are beautiful. It's very dusty. Maybe we should address the dustiness of my sets later on and how I would dust them if I actually did. I do dust a lot of my Lego sets, but yeah, these ones have accumulated a bit. Anyway, so a few years ago, actually it was 3 years ago, oh my gosh, I bought a whole heap of secondhand Lego off Facebook Marketplace, and it was all absolutely gross and dirty. And I kept the sticker, I washed everything else in the washing machine, but I kept the stickered pieces out separately because you can't wash them in the washing machine. It will absolutely destroy them. So here they are, 3 years later. Finally, oh, that's so gross. Look at that. Ew. Hold on, I forgot what I was saying because I looked at the gross and I got distracted. We're going to clean it. We're going to clean these safely today. And what are we going to need for this? So, my kit for cleaning stickers. Cleaning any sticky thing actually is like little cotton things, what do you call that? Like a cuticle pusher, and maybe even a cotton tip as well. And the most important ingredient is 100% isopropyl alcohol. This stuff just cleans sticky stuff so well. Danger of this is that it will actually lift stickers, potentially on the side. But I haven't had that happen. So use this at your own risk. I'm using, and don't saturate it. So I popped a little bit on the cotton bud. If you were smarter than me, you would be using a little microfiber cloth because it doesn't have any fluff on it. So, but you know what? I'm lazy and I didn't go looking for one, and I had this to hand. You can also just use a wadded up tissue, whatever you have on hand. Clean around the sides with it, and you're going to discover that this comes off. It removes the stickiness, it removes the dirt so quickly, so easily, and you do want to move quite quickly. And like I said, don't saturate the area with the liquid because it can seep underneath and actually cause the stickers to lift. Once again, disclaimer, I have not had this happen to me, but I know that it can. So once I finished cleaning it, and it's coming off so beautifully, look, this looks new now. But then I make sure that I just grab a tissue and wipe off any excess moisture. Isopropyl alcohol will just dissolve on its own anyway. Isopropyl alcohol. That's fun words to say, and what a fantastic cleaning agent. Look how good this looks now. Absolutely fantastic. Now we just need to go in and do this with all the other pieces. I mean, it's not hard. It's just it's a job that I have put off. So I decided that you guys had to do it with me. Look at this one. It's absolutely so grubby, and it's when all the sticky bits kind of seep out the sides of stickers. I don't know why they do that, but it happens as they age. So you can clean it off nicely. Look at how much gross is on my little cotton wipe there. And that's coming off really well. And this one's an elves sticker too, so this isn't a new sticker, but it's lasting really well. You can see though that we'll wipe it off first. And there are these little bits around the edges. You can see there's still like a bit of grub around here. And because I don't want to go too long with the isopropyl alcohol, you can use an orange stick to go in. Don't actually, just use it to scrape up the sides like you're cleaning under your fingernails. It's very satisfying actually, but be careful not to actually break the seal of the side of the sticker. You don't want to do that. You don't want to cause it to lift. So there we go. That just looks brand new now. And cotton tip, not sure what I was going to use that for, but you know, It's nice to have extra tools if something defeats you. Let's clean this one, which came from the Queen Dragon's Rescue. And I mean, it's got, the elf sets have decent resale value. So if I find any elf things in a secondhand set, I would definitely try and put that together, and then I don't sell them and I keep them for myself. Oh, threw that on the floor. Okay, it's back again though. This is, you know, cleaning can be dangerous for Lego pieces. We're gonna try and keep it as safe as we possibly can. Okay, this looks really, really good. Can't believe it took me 3 years to get around to cleaning these. I have a lot of things on my list to do. Don't come at me. Okay, let's clean the rest. Here we go. Clean Lego stickers. Woo! There we go, a whole heap of refreshed Lego stickers, nice and shiny. And this one, just to show you, this is one I cleaned, I mean, at least a couple of months ago with isopropyl alcohol. I am always a little bit wary of it lifting the side of the stickers, but it's just not doing that. So just go nice and gently with how much liquid you use and you will be fine. And you will have nice shiny stickers too. No more gross sticky dusty bits off the side. All right, so should I clean Lego stickers? Absolutely. Get to it, start cleaning and then clean your room. See you soon, bye.